Everlytic's enterprise marketing software gives you the power to build meaningful relationships with your target market while driving the best marketing ROI for your business. From email newsletters to digital invoices, SMS notifications, social sharing, and everything in between, Everlytic covers all your digital communication needs in one secure central hub. Import and maintain your database and produce personalized, content-rich communications in minutes. Build mobile responsive emails with our simple drag-and-drop editor. Or get a head start by using one of our pre-built email templates that cover a wide variety of events. Use the test functionality to check your email's compatibility across web, mobile and desktop clients. Analyze your email using our spam score, allowing you to tweak your content as needed to ensure delivery. A/B split test helps you determine your best performing email to send to your database. Side-by-side comparisons and detailed reporting provides valuable insights for future campaigns. Reach more subscribers with personalized multi-part SMS messages with or without attachments, while our automated opt-out option keeps your messages compliant. Extend your campaigns with our simple-to-use landing page builder. Redirect your customers from subscription forms, emails or SMSs to a personalized static web page. Workflows give you the opportunity to interact with your customers at various stages of the marketing lifecycle, allowing you to take them on a specific journey based on their personal information or online behavior patterns. Compare and optimize the performance of your campaigns by using our powerful reporting tool. See how subscribers are interacting with your content, what devices they use to read your emails, and where they are located geographically. Delivery options allow you to set up tracking codes, an email footer, approval requests, and social posting, all with ease. Scheduling in intervals allows you to choose specific dates and times to send out your message. Give your customers real-time access to update their information via Update My Profile, or use subscription forms which automatically update your database once submitted. SMS on bounce allows you to automatically send out a SMS notification to a recipient if their email address bounces, allowing them to respond with their new email address. Ensure your subscriber data is kept up to date through various pre-built integrations connecting to your CRM, CMS or ERP systems. Sync your data to get a holistic view of your marketing efforts in relation to your sales pipeline. If you are looking for a secure system to manage all your email and SMS needs, then start your journey with Everlytic today.